At a large publishing company, the mean age of proofreaders is 31.5 years, standard deviation is 4.1 years. Assume the variable is normally distributed. If a random sample of 18 proofreaders is selected, find the probability that the mean age of the proofreaders in the sample will be between 28 and 30 years old. We're talking about many whatevers. We're not looking at a single proofreader. We're looking at 18 of them. That tells us we want to use this form down here, the many whatevers. So these are going to be our forms we'll use. So let's write down what we're given now. Okay, mean is 31.5, standard deviation is 4.1, n is 18. How many we're talking about? And we're looking between 28 and 30. So if I come over here, the between two values is this last form. A is our smaller number, so A equals 28, and B is our larger number, which is 30. And then we're going to plug into this form right here. So I got equals norm dist B. B is 30, comma, my mean, which is 31.5, comma, standard deviation of 4.1, comma, 4.1 divided by square root of 18, comma, true, minus norm dist A, which is 28, comma, mean, which is 31.5, comma, standard deviation, which is 4.1 divided by a square root of 18 in close parentheses, comma, true, and then close parentheses. So that's how we put it in there. And to put it in percent form, we move our decimal point 2 places to the right, and that'd give us 6.01626%. Rounded 2 decimal places would give us 6.02%.